Global soil degradation has intensified significantly since the 1990s, driven by industrial agriculture, deforestation, and climate change, which are caused by or associated with unsustainable forms or aspects of modern agriculture or industrial agriculture. While historical data points like the 1990 Global Assessment of Soil Degradation, GLASSAD, identified that 2 billion hectares were already affected, more recent assessments indicate that conditions have worsened. There also is an association of soil degeneration and soil-degeneration-collapse with agricultural revolutions, which we analyze in our videos. We see historical and global indications for a causal relation, with industrial agriculture and agricultural revolutions being part of the causes, this of soil degeneration, soil-degeneration-collapse, degenerative disease expansions, and life-expectancy-collapse. We of the Origin for Existence YouTube channel are not at all against farmers nor agriculture. We simply are convinced they have to be more open-minded for what almost inevitably is coming, and will challenge them too, and possibly first of all. This if no essential changes are made in time. However, these are not even on the horizon, and that includes soil degeneration, soil-degeneration-collapse, life-expectancy-collapse, degenerative disease expansions, and most importantly the potential and need of carbon-agroforest, and towards carbon-agroforest-health. How agriculture itself is affected. Soil degradation is a critical driver of financial instability and business failures, as it directly erodes the productivity of the land, which is the foundational asset for global agriculture and its associated value chains. Failures and bankruptcies. Yield collapse. Degradation can reduce crop yields by 10% to 50% in some regions, frequently leading to the abandonment of arable land. Smallholder vulnerability. Smallholder farmers, who produce 70% of the world's food, are the most susceptible to poverty traps, where declining soil quality forces them into debt they cannot repay, eventually leading to the loss of their livelihoods, and forced migration. Biodiversity key to preventing zoonoses. The FAO promotes biodiversity as key to preventing zoonoses, which are animal-to-human diseases, and health crises by advocating the One Health approach, recognizing the link between human, animal, and environmental health. Healthy ecosystems, supported by biodiversity, regulate disease spread, reducing spillover risk, while FAO strengthens surveillance, biosecurity, and cross-sector collaboration with WHO, UNEP, WOH, to detect and respond to outbreaks early, preventing them from becoming pandemics. How biodiversity protects against zoonoses. Ecosystem balance. Diverse ecosystems are more stable, preventing any single pathogen from dominating and spreading rapidly to humans or livestock. Reduced contact. Conserving habitats creates buffers, reducing close contact between wildlife, livestock, and people, which lessens spillover opportunities. FAO's role and strategies. Amongst others. A. Strengthening surveillance. Enhances national capacity for early detection of animal diseases through digital tools, epidemiology training, and community-based reporting, e.g., hunters reporting sick animals. B. Promoting sustainable agriculture. Supports practices that maintain biodiversity and reduce agricultural impacts, like the FAO strategy on mainstreaming biodiversity across agricultural sectors. By focusing on these interconnected areas, FAO aims to prevent health crises by addressing their root causes at the human-animal environment interface, using biodiversity as a fundamental defense. What is the practice? While the strategy is perfect in theory, in practice the influence of consensus and business as usual is enormous, and distracts to say the least. Consequently, the problems we mentioned above and the oncoming eventual storm are not sufficiently addressed. And that is exactly where we of the Origin for Existence channel and you should step in.